Welcome back to Codepedia. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to explore: the top 5 tips and tricks for learning programming in 2023. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, these valuable insights will help you excel in your coding journey. So let's jump right in. Number 1. Set clear goals. The first step towards mastering programming is to define what you want to achieve. Whether it's developing a mobile app or diving into data science, setting clear goals provides you with a sense of direction. Break your ultimate goal into smaller milestones and celebrate each achievement along the way. Remember, progress is key. Number 2. Find the right learning resources. With a plethora of options available, it's crucial to choose resources that align with your learning style. Online courses, books, coding boot camps, and interactive platforms are fantastic sources to explore. Experiment with different formats and find what resonates with you the most. When you're excited about the learning materials, the journey becomes even more enjoyable. Number 3. Build a strong foundation. Just like constructing a building, a solid foundation is vital for your programming skills. Start with the basics, mastering core concepts such as variables, loops, and conditional statements. Practice regularly by solving coding challenges and puzzles. This strengthens your problem-solving abilities and lays a sturdy groundwork for advanced topics. Number 4. Embrace collaboration. Programming doesn't have to be a solitary endeavor. Join coding communities, attend meetups, and participate in online forums. Collaborating with fellow programmers allows you to gain new perspectives, learn from diverse experiences, and discover innovative solutions. Engaging with others also fosters a supportive network that can uplift and motivate you throughout your programming journey. Number 5. Never stop learning. The technology landscape is constantly evolving, and as a programmer, it's essential to stay updated. Continuously explore new programming languages, frameworks, and technologies. Subscribe to coding channels, follow programming blogs, and engage with online tutorials. By embracing a growth mindset and staying curious, you'll expand your knowledge and open doors to exciting opportunities. That wraps up our top 5 tips and tricks for learning programming in 2023. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Happy coding!